You want to learn more about money and investments in a fun and entertaining way? Keep watching to discover the best finance TV shows that are going to help you to get smarter about managing your money. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let me tell you something. Understanding money and how to make smart investments can be tough, but what if you could learn while enjoying a great TV show? That's right. These shows are packed with lessons about the world of finance and are perfect for anyone who wants to learn more. All right? So here are some of the best finance TV shows to watch. Number one, we got Shark Tank. Okay? Shark Tank lets you see how successful entrepreneurs pitch their businesses and make smart investment decisions. Money Heist, number two. Money Heist isn't just about a heist. It teaches you about financial planning and strategy, okay? I would have put that number one. The Profit, okay? That's another one. The Profit shows how one investor turns struggling businesses into successful ones. There's another one called Billions. Billions dives deep into the world of high stakes finance and hedge funds. Number five, Big Short, The Big Short. It's an eye-opening movie that explains how the financial crash happened and what we could learn from it. So now, these shows, and the movie, are gonna make learning about finance easy to understand. It's gonna make it exciting for you to grow your knowledge. And if you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.